Yo, all right, y'all. What I got here to do today, this one will not go into gear from the transmission. You know, you have your pull pin right here in the back for when you gotta push it and everything. You know, for when you gotta push the mower. Well, it's not engaging. And if it don't engage, then you know you can't put it in reverse or forward. You know, on the top of it they have like a little clip with like some forks to be on the inside of it, and them forks go from left to right. You know, one side is reverse, and if you move it, the other side will be forward. That's on the inside. Now, sometimes it's the oil that's inside of there. So you probably see a few videos where people may take the transmission off and change the oil, because what happens, sometimes it gets stuck. I think I'm not sure, but I think they started selling pieces, interior pieces for these transmissions now on eBay. I know they used to didn't. I used to have to just find an old lawnmower and take the parts out of it. I've did some repairs on some of these on you know, taking them all the way apart, and you know, I've gone on the inside of a few of them, but I really don't want to have to go on the inside of this. So I'm gonna get the tires off, which those are just little clips. Little clips that's holding those on, and I'm gonna have to drop this transmission, and hopefully I can move that little pin around and make it start catching, because I'm thinking it's just sticking. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's just sticking, because this mower been sitting for a good while, and now it's time for me to go ahead and move it on and sell it. I went ahead and got the engine to start easy. The engine started real easy. Like, I'm about to put a battery in it, but that ain't no biggie. So yeah, engine and everything was good. Carb was good. Because I did this last year, and then I just let it sit, you know, with all of the problems we had. I just let it sit. Now it's time to move it on, so I gotta check this. That's what say. I'm thinking it's stuck because it was moving, it was running, it was getting in gear and everything. So I gotta get the tires off first, then I'm gonna start trying to get the transmission off. Let me get a couple of little things did, and I can bring you back and tell you what I did. Okay, so you see I got the tires and wheels off. Now, on both sides you have bolts, 2 bolts. You have a couple of rods that come back here, but as we drop this, we'll be able to see everything. What is this? 13s, I believe. Hope it's 13 because that's what I grabbed. Yeah, I grabbed 13s. I like doing it until I take them completely all the way out on the other side. That way it won't just fall down on me. Okay, I have to get the other side, then I'll be able to bring you back and show you what everything looks like underneath. Okay, so I got both bolts on this side. Also got the bolt in the center right here. Gotta get this belt off because I don't want to tear this up too bad. This is what I was saying about that rod right here. That goes to your brakes. Okay. Trying to do this one hand, y'all. There we go. Yeah, I don't want to tear that up. And see if I can, right here with my finger pointing it, that's the rod I'm talking about right there. Hopefully you can see that rod moving. That's the rod I'm talking about right there. So I got one clip here that you probably see. Let's see. Yeah. Got to look with my hand, y'all. Sorry about this. Right here. Got this clip here. And this one I just unhook it from right here. And oh, my little thing off of here rolled under there. And then I can take the whole thing down and look at it. Even though it's easy to take down and take off, I just didn't want to. That's all. Alright, let me take those two clips and I'll bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I got it out. Now, if I have to, these bolts here, I'll turn it up like so. I'll turn it up like so in my vise, and I'll pop those screws right there at the top off if I have to. What I'm gonna do now, right here, this is usually where you change the oil at. So I'm gonna unscrew this. I can't. Some of these overflow bottles used to have like a little cap on them where you can check them, but this ain't nothing but an overflow. I'm gonna pop this and let the oil out, since I gotta check that anyway. And then I'll see if it catches, if it engages. If it engages, then I can put it back and it's done deal. If not, then I'll unscrew these and check the gear and see why it's not engaging. Okay, y'all, so this was the oil that was inside of it. As you can see, it looks green and looks milky. I started buzzing these loose. And this is what I was telling you about to engage it right here. What I was pointing at. So I got to get off on the inside now and look, because I don't think it's engaging. This is a 3/8. Also, this is not under pressure, so if I have to, I could always use some form of gasket material. And you don't have to use impact. I'm just doing this because I'm trying to make it go a little faster. I think that could work. Get these screws out real quick. Trying to get that remaining oil to go that way. I don't remember. But let me pop them brakes. Instead of 10. One second. Okay, yeah, so that's gonna be a 12. Okay, I thought that was a 12, but it wasn't. So I grabbed that 7/16. Had a little too much play in it. That'll keep you. That's your brakes. All it does is when that lever is pulled, it just pushes it out. It scrubs on the wheel to stop it. See if we can kind of get this open now. And there we go. You should be able to see the inside now, hopefully. I'm gonna lose that washer right there. Okay. My bad, y'all. Yep, my bad. Trying to get some of this out of my. Without my pieces falling out, you know? What I didn't want. That's back in. Yeah, they just slide straight in, so that wasn't no big. Okay. Right off in here. Hopefully y'all can see some of this, you know. I'm trying to show y'all some of this. Right off in here. This is the rod. This rod here. This is the rod that goes inside. That's which you know, you belt that ain't that's a pump. I may end up and have to go a little deeper in here. I don't, like I said, I don't want to. Didn't want to go further in, but I'm gonna have to go a little further in, y'all. Alright, let me show you the other side. And that's the other side too. All this I'm gonna end up cleaning all that. Yeah, I gotta go in a little further. Like I say, those just come right off. That side I don't really need to get into. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna have to pause y'all because this is gonna get real messy, and then I don't want to touch the camera with my hands all super messy. But basically, I got 3 bolts, you know. But it's right here is where I got to get to, so I got to get that did. Alright, so as you can see, we got the wheel, or rather I got the back wheels on the grab button. I finished up my project. And everything's good to go. Key's still in it. I just left it in there. Just what I was saying when I say it plugs up. I was showing y'all this. On that Dixon, I have to plug that up. So if you saw the Dixon video, this is what I was talking about when I said I got to plug it up. Right there. And this one like this, you see it's coming off of here. That goes to your voltage regulator. Same deal. Just a different mold, but the same deal. And oh, and you can see right here, come out the solenoid, going to the starter. Easy to go. Because this is the same type of motor that I put on my Dixon. I had another one, that 21 Platinum. I like those. I like those motors. But I just wanted to show y'all the crap when it's finished. I'll be cleaning it because I got to wash it. And then I'll put it online. Also, it does have the both spindles have been redid. It does need a new belt and new blades also. But yeah, she ready to go. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.